It's a time for package from China. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in this video we are going to do a small modification to my Sega Dreamcast SD function. So this one just came with a hole, a very big hole in my Sega Dreamcast, and we're going to make it look a little bit better with this small modification I bought from AliExpress, because the same guy sold these 3D printed casings that you're going to basically add to your Sega Dreamcast. It comes included with this SD extender. Simply what it's going to do, it's going to extend from the main board to this printed PC, how do you call this, plastic printed model, and that will fit perfectly in my Sega Dreamcast, or I'm hoping. So I can very easily switch out my SD card and it looks a little bit better. So he wrapped it up very nice. He does a really great job. He used a lot of tape putting it together. I need to be very gentle, because if I'm pulling it the wrong position, it's going to break, and I don't want that, because otherwise I need to order a new one. So this is what you're going to get, complete with screws, sparkers, everything you're going to need. And I think this is going to look very good inside the Sega Dreamcast. This is just basically what we call the finishing touch. So if you're having an SD with a big hole inside, maybe this can be a solution for you. I must say it's not super cheap. It's also not very expensive. If I remember correctly, around $30 shipped. Can get it wrong, but nevertheless, I think it's not a lot of money and it's worth your Dreamcast. Right, I have my tools, I have my screwdriver, I'm ready for it, you are, because we are going to do this assembly. So grab yourself something to drink and let's enjoy the show. Alright, so this is how you need to assemble this piece of accessory for your Sega Dreamcast. I am very happy with it. It was not super cheap because it's basically 3D printed, it's custom made, and keep in mind there are two versions, so you need to ask the seller. There are some information on the page that points you out where you need to look out for with which GDMU you have. So I just want to point it out. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family. And important, hit the little bell because you're going to get the message from YouTube when I'm uploading new videos. And it would be great, so that means I will see you in the next video. And enjoy the gameplay. We're gonna take you on a ride.